Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube short. For this you have to follow these steps. Before this video, if you still don't subscribe to our channel, then please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for more interesting videos. So first, let's get started. First you need to go to YouTube channel, then click here option as create option. So click on this and click on upload videos. And you need to upload your video from your computer and choose this one and okay. So while you're exporting your video, make sure that your video is in vertical position and less than 60 seconds or 1 minute. So now select your video and now you can add your caption here. So I will write here crash step. This caption showing under your shorts when your shorts are in the shorts feed. So when your video uploaded over here, you have to check the link of your video generates here and make sure YouTube has recognized your video as a short. So wait for this video and you can see your video has generated as shorts here. Okay, after that you have to fill your all upload settings here and then you are able to publish your shorts on YouTube. So guys, this is how you can make a YouTube short. Hope this video helps you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.